This is a basic tutorial on how to curl your wigs. Hello everyone, my name is Rosemary and I'm delighted to welcome you to my channel. Thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. That was amazing. God bless you all. So we will delve right into it. I've already prepared the hair as requested by the customer, very minimal plucking. And as you can tell, I've already divided the hair into two sections, the left and the right sections. So what I will do is I will curl each section explaining how I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to start from the nape of the neck to the forehead of the mannequin head. So I've taken my curler, I've opened it up, I've wrapped the hair around the wand and I'm turning it to the left. Bear in mind I am standing on my right hand side and I'm turning the hair to the left. So I'll wrap the hair around the wand, curl it up, then open it down, turn it, wrap the hair around the wand, open it down, and I'll turn it until all the hair in my hand is completely finished. So as it finishes, I will just hold the hair in place for a few seconds, then I'll loose it. As I'm loosing, I'll open the wand gently and drop the hair into my hands. It's not that hot, well, not to me, not that hot. So I will use 𝓤𝓼𝓸𝓭𝓾𝓬𝓼 spray, and I will spray it on the hair just to hold it. Here I'm just going to demonstrate how we will curl on the left side, but as we do it I will explain it into details. So I will open the wand once again, and as I'm turning my hand, I'm turning rather to the right side, not to the left. Remember, the previous side was turning to the left, but this time we are turning to the right. And as I'm turning to the right, I am wrapping the hair around the wand. I will open it up and wrap the hair around it until all the hair is finished. Then I will open the wand and drop the hair into my hands. Once that is done, I will just spray the 𝓤𝓼𝓸𝓭𝓾 on it again to hold the hair. Then I will clip it. So clipping the hair makes it more bouncier and more, nicer. Sometimes you can do it without the duck clip, or you don't have to clip it down. I just prefer to do it this way because virgin hair doesn't hold styles for long. So yeah, now I'm going to focus on the right side of the hair. So I will once again wrap the hair around the wand and I will drag it down. As I'm dragging it down, I am wrapping the hair around the wand, drag it down and wrap the hair. So you do that until all the hair in your hands is all completely gone and it's all around the wand. So once that is done, hold it for some few seconds and then you drop it, then apply the 𝓤𝓼𝓸𝓭𝓾 on it, then I'll clip it. So that is the whole concept we are going to do today. It is not that difficult, but yeah, I'm hoping it is not that difficult, let me say that. So you just watch my hand and watch my fingers. I'm just wrapping the hair around the wand, and as I'm wrapping, I will drag it down and wrap more, drag it down and wrap more, drag it down. That is the concept, and that's how you curl. Okay, now you can use any hairspray of your choice for this. I prefer the 𝓤𝓼𝓸𝓭𝓾 spray because I think it works better for me, but you can use any spray of your choice. So I will also list all the products and the items I used in styling this hair. Right, so once again, we are just focusing on the right side of the hair, and we are curling towards the left. Okay, we will curl towards the left, but we are standing on the right side of the mannequin head. Again, it's the same concept all over again. That's what you do. So just watch me as I do this one, and I'll come back to you. The curler I am using is the T3 single pass curler, and the size is 32 millimeter. So you can use whatever curler that you choose to use. However, just bear in mind that the bigger the size, the looser the curls will tend to be, and the smaller, the tighter the curls will be. So just bear that in mind. However, whatever size you want to use should be fine. And since you've already gotten the concept of how we are doing these curls, I'm just going to speed the rest of this process up so that we don't sleep here today. We need to go home. All right, I'll get back to you when we get to the other section of the hair. So now I have finished the right section of the hair, but this one, the front part of the hair, I will leave it for later on. Moving on to the right section, the left section of the hair, we are going to do what we did before. We will curl the opposite way to what we did previously. So we are standing on the left side of the mannequin head, however we are curling to the right. So once again, the same concept. You wrap the hair around the curler and you pull it down while wrapping the hair around the curler. So as you are pulling it down, you are opening the curler open, and then you drag until all the hair is finished in your hand. Now this is our premium virgin hair. The hair is very soft and tangle free, so it's quite easy to work with. And also, I'm making this video with the assumption that you already know how to use hot tools. So if you don't know how to use them, and you want to get a new, curler, it usually comes with a cotton gloves. So for the sake of your hands, please use them, because sometimes the tools can be very, very hot and you don't want to burn your fingers or your precious hands. We don't want that. So now I am done with both sections. I am just coming to focus on the front part of the hair, and I'm just going to part that into basically two sections on both sides, and I will just curl it the same direction where like how we were doing before. So because the mannequin is now facing, the front of the mannequin is now facing us, I have the right side that we were doing previously facing us. So I'm just going to curl, turning the curler, I'm turning it to the left, basically away from the face. So it's the same concept, just that the mannequin head is now facing us. So it's a little different, but basically almost the same. We're just curling this to the same direction. So moving on to the other side, then it's the same thing that we did on the left hand side. That's what we're going to do here as well. So we are just parting that into two. I'm just checking the volume, and then I will just clip it down out of the way, and I will curl it, turning it to the right, because when the back was facing us, we were curling to the right, the opposite direction of the previous one. So exactly the same, that's the same thing we're going to do here. You curl to the right, away from the face. So now that we are done, I will just go back into the hair and use my got to be glued spray to spray on the hair all over again, just to hold the hair in place. Once again, we are working with virgin hair, and virgin hair tend not to hold style for long, so I'm very generous with my spray. So you take the clips out towards the direction that you curl the hair. So if the curl was on the left, you take it out and let the curl drop on the left. If it was on the right, you take it out, let the curl drop on the right. So when combing the hair, you have to make sure you are combing to the back and not to the front or on the side or straight. Everything we are combing should go towards the back. And I'm just going back in with my hot comb to make sure the hair lays flat. And this is the result of the curls. I mean, how gorgeous is this hair? So lovely. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed myself. I hope you did too. Thank you and bye.